So let me explain the difference between the T1 safety strap and the V1 safety strap. The Integrator by default ships with the T1 attached to the vest, at least as of January 2026. This will change later on and we'll be replacing the T1 with the V1. But for those who currently receive their integrators with the T1 setup, let me tell you about the difference. This is the original setup, includes a metal carabine at the end of the strap. When you open it, this flies out, right? The D-ring, it is sitting fixed to the vest. On the V1, it is the opposite, but you will see in a moment. What you need to do is take this rubber cord and attach the plastic carabine to the outside hook of the T1. This is needed so that it can help open the T1. You can even make this a little tighter so that there's enough force to pull it back. This is how you can tighten it and use the cord stopper to make it tighter. Make sure you grab the gun before you open it. You do a vertical pull and the carabine opens instantly. To attach it back, hold the carabine and just close it inside the D-ring. The reason we developed the V1 is because this metal carabine, when it's opening, it may hit some object, such as your scope, and we don't want that to happen. So to prevent that, this became fixed to the vest, and the D-ring is now the part that is flying along with the strap, but we'll show you in a second. Okay, so this is how you remove the components of the T1. Just turn these umbrella-shaped little horns slightly, so you can pull them out like this. Disconnect this plastic carabine in the back. Now do the same with this strap. Turn it 45 degrees and just pull it out. These elastic cords are fixed to the vest, so you can just pull them all the way back like this. Use the cord stopper to tighten it up. You'll no longer need this once you're using the V1. If you want, you can even cut this off or use it for fastening other objects. This is how you attach your V1 to the Integrator Vest. Take this long strap, which has the D-ring at the end. Use the plastic tool that is included with your Integrator. Thread it through here, and then starting underneath the third webbing, pull it and thread it underneath all the webbings all the way to the 6th or the 7th molar webbing, like this. This little tool helps you pull it through without any problems. Okay? Once it's outside, just grab it and just pull it like this. Okay? So now you have both ends loose. Okay, pull it back a little bit and make sure it sits tight. Now take this short strap and make sure that the carabine's opening is facing outside, because you're going to be pulling this pull tab towards your other shoulder, right? If it's facing the opposite, it just won't be able to open, right? So make sure this opening is facing outside. Take the plastic tool again, which makes it easier to thread this through the molar webbing. And underneath the second webbing, just do like this. Okay, remove the tool, and now make sure it sits well, that the horns are, anchored to the webbing. You can even push this underneath the third webbing so it looks nicer. Okay, now you're ready to attach the rifle. Place the stock in the cradle, wrap the safety strap around the barrel, and attach to the carabine. If you can't close the carabine, just pull it gently and then release it so that it is connected well. Double check that it's closed before use. To open it, grab the pull tab and pull horizontally. But before doing that, make sure you grab the rifle to prevent an accidental dropping of the rifle. Just pull it and it opens in an instant. To buckle it up again, take the D-ring and the safety strap in your right hand, take the carabine in your left hand and just attach it. This is how you would do it when you're wearing the vest as well. Of course, if you're left-handed, just do everything in the opposite. If for some reason this strap is too long, feel free to tighten this by pulling the end of the strap up here. You may want to attach it to the 8th or the 9th mold of webbing to make this shorter. To do that, I'm going to use the plastic tool again. Take the tool, thread it through here, and just pull it and thread it underneath the next webbing. Needs a little help with your hands, but it's simple as that. Again, make sure it's anchored well. Now, you don't want this to be way too tight because that would prevent you from opening it with the quick pull tab. So this needs to be somewhat loose, but of course it needs to sit in a direction that you're comfortable with. So if you prefer this to be a little bit tilted forward, then lift these straps here in the back. And you see, by adjusting it, I'm tilting the rifle somewhat forward. If you want a more vertical position, just loosen this or tighten this strap as well.